Hello everyone. Uh, as previous classes, I taught you the addition topic. Today I will start subtraction topic. So let's begin. Is it visible? Yes, it is visible. So let's take an example. Suppose I have a example like 9, 7, 4, 8, 3. We have to subtract 2, 4, 3, 7, 0. How it will subtract? Let's see. Yes, and let's subtract from top to bottom. As you know, the basic concept uh, working on the basis of principle like traditional method. And what it has said in traditional method, we have we have to work from right to left, right side to left side. Okay, as you know, the first number here is 3 is the ones place, 8 is 10th place, 4 is 100 place, 7 is 1000 place, like this. So we have to work like from ones to tens thousands. Okay, first I will deal ones number, then I will deal 10 position number, then I will deal 100 position number, and then and so on. So here the ones position is 3, tens position is 8, 100 position is 4, and 1000 position is 7, 10,000 position is 9. So it will work like this. So firstly I will subtract from top to bottom. 3 to 0. 3 minus 0 will be r3. 8 minus 7 will 8 minus 7 will be r1. 4 minus 3 will be 1 also. 7 minus 4 will be r3. 9 minus 2 will be r7. Like simply there is no carries question, and I will also deal some carries question like borrowing question. And now here is nothing has to carry. So let's take another example like 8, 4, 2, 0, 7, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 0, 5. Let's subtract it. What will be the result? Like from top to bottom. Here where is the minus sign? Here is in the bottom number. Here is the minus sign. So so we have to subtract from top top number to bottom number. Okay, here also you have seen the minus sign is behind from the bottom number. So I subtract from top number to bottom number. As one thing you have to remember, here is nothing sign, either minus or plus. Is there any sign here before 9, before this number? No. So if there is no mention any sign, so by default we have to consider here is the plus sign. So we have to subtract from plus to minus. Similarly here before 8, is there any sign plus or minus? No, there is no sign. So by default we have to consider here is the plus sign. Okay, similarly here is mentioned minus sign. So we can say this number is in minus number. So we have to subtract from plus to minus, and plus is in bigger number, minus here is the smaller number. As we can see, total number of digits here is the 5. Here also total number of digits is 5. In the above number, the ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000 position. Here is the 8000 84,207. Here is the 31,000. Here is the 84,000. Here is the 31,000. Which one is bigger? There is here is the 84,000 is bigger. So we have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Let's subtract. 7 minus 5 will be 2. And I know you have basic idea about how it will subtract. If you are dealing like nurseries classes, then you might be use your finger like sometime in nursery classes I seen that students are counting like 5. Here is the 5. I have to count up to 7. 5 6 7 or count join 5 6 7 like two finger two join is here from 5 to 7. So write down 2. Here 0 minus 0 is nothing. 0. 2 minus 0 also 2 minus 2 also nothing. 0. 4 minus 1 4 minus 1 will be 3. 8 minus 3 will be our 5. So this is an easy question. Let's go to the just some bigger question or complicated question, like take an example like 9 5 8 7 7 with 4 3 5. Here is minus sign. We have to subtract it. Is it visible? No, something is wrong. It is visible. We can clearly see that this here is there any sign? No. So this number is in plus sign, positive sign. Here is the negative sign. This number is in minus number. Here and above number is in plus number. Okay, and above number is bigger number and below number is smaller number, and we have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number. So don't mistake like here 5 as earlier classes I also teach you like don't keep empty in one's place. If you keep one's place is empty in any row, definitely your answer will be wrong. So here 5 also in one's place, here 7 also is in one's place, so no problem, we can subtract. 7 minus 5 will be 2. 7 minus 3 will be our 4. 8 minus 4 will be 4. 5 minus, here 5 minus nothing, so 5 minus nothing is 5. 9 minus nothing also 9. So this kind of problem you can see anywhere. Okay, is it okay? Just if you want to note down, let's pause this video and note down. Also here also pause this video and note down if you want to note. Here also this example, if you want to note down, note it. Okay, let's go to another example like a borrowing question, means theory question. Suppose example like 7 4 3 8 2 minus 4 2 0 8 5. Let's subtract it. As here, oh sorry, there is no minus sign, so I am putting minus sign here. So here is minus sign, so we have to minus from top number to bottom number. Okay, but in top number also here is 5 digits here, and bottom number also 5 digits. So we can subtract. Top number is last number is 7, and in bottom number is last number is 4. A 7 number is bigger than 4, so no problem, we can subtract. But let's see where is the where we have to take carry. 2 minus 5, can I subtract? No, because 5 is bigger number than 2, so 2 will take a carry from 8. 2 will take 1 borrow from 8. Let's take a borrow from 8. 8 will become 7 now, and 2 will become 12. Just put 1 behind 2, means 1 will be 10th position of 2. 2 is in consider 2 is in 1's position, so borrowing 1 will be the in the 10th position. So 2 now 2 become a 12 and 8 become a 7. So just subtract 12 minus 5. Yes, now we can subtract because 12 is bigger number than 5. 12 minus 5 will be our 7. Okay, 7 minus 8, no, here is 8 is bigger number than 7. So 7 also want borrow from anywhere. So 7 will take a borrow from 3. 3 will become a 2 and 7 will become a 17. Just put 1 behind a 7, so 7 become a 17. So let's subtract it. 17 minus 8 will be our 9, and 2 minus 0, yes, I can subtract from 2 to 0, will be our 2. 4 minus 2 will be also 2. 7 minus 4 will be our what? 3. Is it difficult? No, it is easy. Okay, just if you want to note down, note it. You have noted. Was it difficult? No, nothing is difficult. Nothing is impossible. Okay, let's take another example, like 4 3 0 0 8 3 5. We have to subtract what? 9 8 8 7 6. We have to subtract. Let's put a minus sign behind this number. Here is one tragedy. What? In above number we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 3 6 and 1 7. Total 7 number of digits in above number, and in below number here is the total 5 numbers. So bigger number of digits will be our bigger number. So here is nothing to worry that we have to nothing to worry that which one is bigger number or which one is smaller number, will be subtract from bigger number or smaller number. Anywhere you can see that suppose here is the 5 digits in above number, 5 digits also in below number. In any case, anyhow, if instead of 4 will be 8 or 9, that is the bigger number than 7. Can I subtract? No, we can't subtract. We will subtract by carefully from here. Also we have to put sign which number is bigger number. Here is which number is bigger number. Top number is bigger number is, so in before top number which sign, plus sign or minus sign. Here is nothing has written, so by default we have to consider plus sign. So here also come to plus sign. Similarly here also in bottom, in minus number is a smaller number than above number, so we have not to worry about which number is bigger or smaller. Okay, let's go to subtract. Firstly subtract from 5 to 6. Can I subtract? No, here is 6 is bigger number than 5, so I can't subtract. So I will take borrow from next number. Here the next number is 3. If I take 1 borrow from 3, 3 will become a 2. Can you see? Yes, 3 will become a 2 and 5 will become a 15. just put 1 before 50 before 5, and 5 is over. Okay, and now I can subtract from 15 to 6. Here 6 is smaller number than 15, so no problem, I can subtract. 15 minus 6 will be r 9. Okay, 2 minus 7, oh no, I can't subtract. So 2 also will take 1 borrow from here next number. 8 will give 1, and 8 will become a 7, from 8 to 7, and 1 has given to 2, so 2 become a 12 number. Now 12 minus 7 will be 12 minus 7 will be what? Will be our 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, and now 7 minus 8, no, here I can't subtract. Here 7 is smaller number than 8, so 7 also want 1 from his next number. 7 here is next number is 0. Can 0 give any any borrow? No, 0 is also, 0 is itself empty, is nothing, he has nothing. So 0 also want to 1 borrow from here neighbor number. Here neighbor number also 0. This 0 also can't give any number, so this 0 also want borrow from his neighbor number. His neighbor number is 3. 3 will give 1. 3 has given 1, 3 become a 2, and this 0 become a 10. Now this 10 will give 1 borrow to this 0, and then this 10 has become a 9, and this 0 become a 10. Okay, again this 10 will give a 1 borrow to 7, and 10 will become a again 9, and this 7 has become a 17. Just put 1 here. Can you see here? Okay, now this 17 minus 8 will be our 9. 9 minus 8 will be our 1. 9 minus 9 will be 0. 2 minus nothing will be 2. 4 minus nothing will be also 4. Here is the good question. Okay, just note down it. Okay, you have just pause this video and note down. This question is interesting question. I have teach you total 5 number of example. 5 example is enough for subtraction. Next class I will teach you multiplication. So if you are in new viewer in my YouTube channel, so subscribe my YouTube channel, and like and share my video. So thank you so much. Jai Hind.